G'day friends, my name is Joe Poke and welcome back to Space Engine. So today, I have a face and I have a list. So this time I actually have a plan of things to do. One of them is really cool. It's the title. If you have never heard of that before, it'll be a treat for you. It's pretty cool. So first off, I didn't do this in the last video, I just want to zoom out and just go to Andromeda real quick. Just because it's a cool sight, always. There goes our star. Just nice and slow. It's so beautiful. Alright. We're out of our own galaxy. Sorry if the frame rate drops. I was having trouble with that yesterday. Alright, so now let's go to Andromeda. All these are galaxies, by the way, if you didn't know that. It's insane to think about. Alright, let's try to find a planet in here. There's something interesting. I might jump cut a little bit if I find boring stuff first. This planet looks cool. At least the moons look cool. I think I mentioned this last video. I love it when planets are orbiting around a gas giant because it looks really, really cool in this, and I'm sure it would look cool in real life, but we haven't been to one. Let's go to this guy. It's Cold Desert. I just upgraded to Windows 10, so I have to change everything back to Imperial system because it all messed up. I deleted everything in the upgrade. It was my doing. Wasn't Microsoft's fault. Okay. Where's the gas giant? Oh, there it is. Ooh. That's pretty. The thing with blue systems, whenever there's a blue star, all of the planets are also blue. I know it makes sense because it's a blue star, but it gets to be a little, not boring, but that's why I don't really usually click on blue stars, because all the planets look exactly the same. So let's move on. Whoa, this Titan looks pretty cool. Let's check out that Titan. I'm gonna go a little faster. Whoa. This looks interesting. Titans usually do, but Titans are weird. I don't know exactly what a Titan is. I just know that I'm pretty sure it's like there's like an atmosphere, and then there's stuff underneath the surface of whatever the surface is. Like that's what we think is under Saturn's moon, Titan. Whoa, look at those mountains. Like, cause this looks like a Terra, almost. I'm just not sure. If you guys could let me know in the comments, that'd be really cool. Like, what the difference between a Terra and a Titan is, or just what a Titan is in general. Oh, there goes the frame rate again. Again, I'm really sorry about the frame rate. It does tend to drop when you land on planets. Ooh, a binary yellow dwarf. One with life. Well, that looks like a cool planet. Let's check it out. Ooh. It's 100 degrees. Oh no. 84 degrees Celsius. It's not crazily warm. It's... Wow, this is a weird looking one. It's all yellow. Let's see what this surface looks like. Well, this is orbiting around a yellow giant, so I guess that would explain the yellow. Looks like sand. It's pretty crazy how procedural generation works. It's almost unbelievable. This is all made by math. Basically, I think. Pretty sure it's all made by math. I don't know why the water glitches like that all the time for me. I don't know if anyone else is having that problem, but it does that for me. These mountains are really nice. It almost looks like it should be a hot or a scorched planet with the way that the atmosphere looks. It's all like, looks like it's burning. Oh, this has multicellular life. Interesting. Okay, Andromeda's getting pretty boring. So let's do that thing that I was talking about. There they are. The Antennae Galaxies. There they are. Look at that. So basically, if you're not familiar with what these are, it's basically two galaxies that have, merged, or that are merging into one. It's gonna happen with the Milky Way and Andromeda in like 2 billion years or something like that. But these two are one of the observable ones that we've seen, and this is what we've seen. We've seen this kind of view, like this top-down, I think it's top-down view. So what the guy who made this game did is he tried to, model what it might look like from a side or from the bottom. And I think he did a really good job. Look at all the stars. And they actually have, this is why they get the name antenna, is they have these like tail things on each end where they came from on each end. So it's pretty cool. So if we go to actually one of the ones on the tail, probably get a really good view. It's like sometimes, like if you look up from Earth, I think in a lot of places you can see the Milky Way. You can see like the rift of the Milky Way. Imagine looking up and seeing this mess, this like galactic tie-dye in the sky. It would be pretty crazy. Let's find an interesting planet. These are all blue. There are a lot of blue stars around here. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that's like because it's on the outskirts of the galaxy. I honestly don't know. If you guys know, let me know. Boring. Ooh, an orange dwarf amongst the blues. Let's see if this one. Oh, that's not gonna get us anywhere. Okay. Some big gas. Whoa! Look at that. That's a cool looking planet. Let's go. I mean, that's a cool looking moon, but it's kind of a planet. It's a desert. That looks pretty sick. Hope it looks that cool in person. It looks like neon green in the thumbnail. This is also a binary system. Whoa. This is one of the coolest planets I've ever seen. That's an awesome looking gas giant too. Wow, this is pretty sick. Wonder if it's the atmosphere that's making all this green. Probably. Like a Venus-like planet, I guess. Wow, it's like neon. Holy crap. Wow. Where's the gas giant? There it is. Let's see if we can see that from the surface. Wow. That's insane looking. Pretty sick. Ugh, it's so hot in here. It's hot in my room. Are you guys hot? I am, like, sweating. This planet is, I don't want to leave. This is, like, really, really cool. I just added it to my locations. Let's check out this gas giant, too. Wow. It's so big. I'm speechless. It's weird too, because this actually looks like an oval. Look at that. That's interesting. This planet is so cool. I wonder what makes it green. It's, let's see, 14 times the atmosphere. 193 degrees Celsius. It's hot. Oh, and there's the view of the Antennae Galaxies. Wow, look at all the... You can see all the stars toward the middle. Getting like slingshotted around as they're colliding. Ooh, it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Wow. It's interesting the way he modeled it. Like, I would expect it to be more of a just craziness going on, but he actually made it like two, flat plane galaxies, which is what it is, two like flat spiral galaxies coming together. But he made it like they were on an angle from each other, which is interesting. It's cool. Look at all this. Look how dense the stars are. Let's find somewhere else. Oh, planet with life. That's convenient. Let's see what it looks like. A cool Terra. Negative 28 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it looks pretty cold. Looks very earthy actually. Look at this little island. It's definitely mostly water. What appears to be ice. Oh, I've never actually seen like an icy type Terra. Usually they're warm. Oh my god, my backdrop just scared the crap out of me. I thought it was a ghost. But yeah, this is a really cool planet. It's like simple, but it's nice. Yeah, I've never actually seen a icy planet. Is this like frozen? No, that's water. That's nice looking. I like that. What kind of star is this around? An orange dwarf. I don't know what that is. Type of star. Ooh, this one looks nice. It's supposed to be orbiting around a big green gas giant, which I don't see. Oh, there it is. What is this big white splotch here? That's interesting. I want to get a good view of the Saturn. It's the Saturn. Like the Saturn-like planet it's orbiting around. Wow, that's so pretty. It's subtle, but it's nice. Screenshot. Okay. Whoa. There are so many places. What's this? PK. Whoa. What is this? Is this a This is a galaxy. Is it more than one? This is crazy looking. That looks so weird. It's like a cloud. It's not. It looks like a nebula. It doesn't even look like a galaxy. I don't know what that means. I'm not an astronomer. This is a very bizarre galaxy. Let's go somewhere else. I don't know any of these, like, these titles. A lot of them are called NGC. I see that a lot. I'm not sure what all these DDO ones are. Let's go to an ESO. Well, that's a nice looking galaxy. I assume if it's in the search, then it's a real place. Because the Antennae Galaxies are a real place. And they're pretty awesome. This galaxy looks large. Alright, let's find one more planet, and then I think we're gonna call it a day. One more interesting planet, that is. I don't want to find something boring. That star looks menacing. Red, bright, giant. That's descriptive. Oh my god, guys. This game just crashed 3 times in a row. Like within 5 minutes of each other. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. I want to find something, like a nice looking planet to finish this episode off. But that's becoming a very difficult task. Oh, another quadruple system. That was the title of the last video. So this is... I don't know what kind of stars this one's made up of. I don't think I'm gonna... Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go to this system. It's pretty bland. I sound like I'm so spoiled seeing so many beautiful things in this game. A cold titan with life. It's orbiting around a gas giant with rings, which is something I like. It's a little far away. See, this looks like a Terra. I don't know what makes it a Titan. I don't know. It's kind of confusing. I'd love to know. Someone could let me know. It's so bright. Oh my god, it's bright. God, there are so many boring systems. I want to see cool stuff. Oh, I just saw life. No, oh, hey, almost life. Go away. Life. Another Titan with life. How awesome. We can see. See, some Titans look like this, others look like Terras. I'm so confused. Titans are so weird. This one looks nice though. It looks like clouds, but it's actually like the surface of the Titan. Of the planet, I should say. A moon. I'm getting my words mixed up. This nebula looks interesting. This nebula looks pretty cool. Let's go to the nebula. Ooh. I don't think we've checked out a nebula yet. Here's one. It's pretty much all. Whoa. It looks like a machine. What the heck? Oh no, don't crash game. That's so weird. Why are they doing that? This might be a glitch. That's so weird. They're like moving like cogs in a machine. That's gotta be a glitch. Well, at least it's a funny glitch. Well, I'm gonna leave this video here, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. I don't have an upload schedule yet, but I will be uploading big videos fairly regularly. But that'll do it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.